Hi friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a multi-vendor service finder website. In this website, a user can easily order a service from the website, and the service providers can easily register on our website and they can sell their services with easily. And this is a mobile optimized website, and the customer or the vendors can register their details and they can start selling their services. As you can see, this is a TV service package, and when a customer order, they have to select the issue of the or the problem of the TV, and they can see the price, and they can click on the add to package option, and they can check out, and they can select the service date when they want to service their TV or their product, and they can select the service timings, and they can select the service location. You can add any location. Okay, once the service provider get the order, they can assign a service staff for this work. They can select the technician and click on submit. Okay, now the service staff get the notification and they will enter into their dashboard. After completing their service, they can mark the service as completed, and they can see the service and the pending works here. And there is lot of options are available on this theme or on this concept, and I'm just drawing an outline only. You can add many features into it. In order to do all these things, first you need a domain and hosting. You have to buy a domain. In order to get the domain and hosting, just go to the hostinger.in or hostinger.com and buy a domain and hosting, and search your domain name here. And click on search. Once the domain is available, you can add to cart, and you have to buy a hosting also. Just select the shared web hosting, and you can choose any of these plans. I recommend the medium plan, premium web hosting. Don't go for the single web hosting because it's very slow. And choose the time length for the hosting, that select for 12 months, and check out. You can sign up or log in with your Google or Facebook account, and after that you can choose the payment option, and you can check out the hostinger. Once you check out, you will get a how to add the pin code and everything, and just click on you will get a window like this. Click on manage, and now we have to install WordPress on our purchased domain. In order to do this, just go to the auto installer option. Select the auto installer option, and select WordPress from that and type admin email, admin username, password, email, etc. and click on install. Okay, once the WordPress installed, we can go to the WordPress dashboard, and this is our default WordPress website. It look like this. Now this is our WordPress dashboard, and click on themes and add new and upload a theme. This is a premium theme. You can choose with the free theme also, but premium theme have more options. I'll give the link in the description. If you want, you can purchase from there or you can purchase from anywhere else. And just install now. Okay, once it's installed, just activate the theme. Okay, once our theme is activated, just click on activate the required plugin. Okay, now we have activated the required plugins. Just go to the select the Elementor and click on import and click on next. Click on next. Click on next and choose the page builder. Select Elementor and click on next and click on install and wait for some time to get just installing all these things. Once installed, just click on again, click on install. Okay, now our demo is imported. Just click on preview website, just refresh it. Yes, our website is imported successfully. All the demo content is imported. You can see all the demo content here. Everything works fine, perfect. Now we can set up Woocommerce settings. Just go to the Woocommerce and click on settings. Here you can add all the details of the shop and you can change the currency here. Once you finish that, click on save changes. You can add the selling location, etc. and click on the product section and check all these things are enabled and click on shipping and leave it is. Select the payment option, select the cash on delivery on. We already created a video about the payment, you can watch that also. On the guest checkout section, you can allow the customers to place orders without an account. This is very easy and you can do it by yourself, and all these settings you can change according to your use. And click on the advanced settings and you can select a terms and condition page. Actually, this is a demo site, that is why I have not created a page. And click on the save changes. Now we can install WCFM. Actually, this plugin makes our website into a multi-vendor website. Go to the plugin section and it is totally free. Click on add new, type WCFM and install all these three plugins: Frontend Manager, WCFM Marketplace and WCFM Membership. Install all these three plugins and just go to the plugin settings again, install plugin section, and select the inactive option and select all the plugins and activate. Or you can also enable one by one. WCFM market plugin config. Okay, WC Marketplace, this also a multi-vendor plugin. Just deactivate it because it is come from the theme. Just activate and deactivate and delete that plugin, and again just refresh. Now go to the WCFM Marketplace and you can change all the settings here. These settings are also same like as the Woocommerce settings. It's all depend upon your choice, and you can select the options. You can enable or disable all the options according to your choice. You can change the store base URL, and you can change all the settings according to your choice. You can add a store default logo and banner. Once you finish everything, just click on save. Now you can enable or disable all the modules, and this we already. Now click on the geolocation, and it's very important. If you have Google Map API key, you can select the Google Map, or if you need a free map box, then select the OpenStreetMap. You can set up default map location, etc. here. Once you finish that, click on save. And order settings, if you do not want multi-vendor checkout, you can disable it. You can enable the commission settings and commission for the admin, and you can type the commission percentage for the admin and click on save. And withdrawal settings, payment settings, shipping, you can enable the shipping settings here, shipping by country and all other options. You can select the refund settings here. Review related settings you can change here, and the vendor registration, here you can add the vendor registration forms. Just enable all these things. If you want to enable any particular type of field, you have to add here. Registration a custom field also. Just enable the things. You can change the color, style, dashboard style you can change here. You can select the dashboard page. By default all the pages are fine, you don't need to change anything. Go to the menu manager, and you can enable the menu here. Inquiry settings, product type categories, and custom fields, store policies. Add the store policies, store hours. You can select that all these things here. Once you finish that, click on save. Actually this is very free. Click on the editing header and we can edit the theme header. Just go to the X store and click on header builder, and here you can change your logo. Just select the logo and replace the logo with your logo. I'm just uploading an logo and select the logo. And you can change the menu also here. If you want to delete a section, you can see that the bottom screen you can delete that. Just click on remove and that section will be removed from the theme header. You can remove that also, or if you want to edit, just click on the settings option. Okay, once finished that, click on the publish. We can add the retina logo also. Select the retina logo and click on publish. And now just close these things and we can check how it works. Our logo has been changed and all our changes has been saved. Now we can add services to our website. Now just go to the product section and add new, and here you can add a service, TV repairing service. Just type the description and select the variable product. Click on attributes, custom attributes, click on add. Type issues and type the problems here with a hash. You can do it very easily. Just type separate with a line like this, as you are seeing the video. Once you finish that, click on use before variations and save attributes. Once you finish that, click on the variation section and create variations from all attributes. Click on OK. 5 variations are added that we created. Here you can add the price, image, or separately you can be added here. You can add all these things here. Just adding the product only, sorry, the price only. You can add the separate image for the separate product. Actually I am adding only the price. Once you finish that, type a product short description. You can add a category for the product. Select a category. Or you can create a new category also. You can add the product tag and set a product image. Once you finish that, click on publish. Now we can view the product. Click on the view product. Okay, now you can see our service has been published successfully, and the customer can select the problem of their TV and they can purchase that service easily. Now we can add another service, just fan repair. This is a simple product, not a variable product. Just add a description, price, and you can add the agency if you want. Select the agency name and select the short description and choose a product category. And if you don't have a category, you can add a new category for the service. And type a product tag and select a product image, and if you want you can also add a brand for the product service. Click on publish, and now you can see a newly created service here. Yes, everything works fine. Now we can edit the pages of our website. To do these things, click on the edit with Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. Just drag and drop everything you need, or if you right click and just click on edit section, you can edit all these things on the left hand side very easily. Just click on that and you can see the left hand side. You can add the product categories. You can select the product categories, and you can also change the sliders also here like this. Or if you want to delete a section, just close that window. InDesign, just close that InDesign, and you can change the images like this. You can change the image. Once you change, make sure that it's a correct sized image. The only thing you want to consider is that you can change the textures here. From the demo test we are changing the textures or adding some new captions for our website. And you can change or edit anything you want. Okay, you can select the content on the next section. Here you can change the tab title. Here also you can change the tab title and anything. You can add the carpenter. Now you can change all these things like this. Just drag and drop, or just click on the object you want to change, and you can change that object and or image. On this section also, just click on that edit option and you can change the menu and all the details here. It's easy. And here it is used a background image. Just click on the options As you are seeing the video, just click there and select the style and choose the background image and replace the image with your image. Click on insert media. Now our image is changed, and you can add your own images and edit the product also. Okay, we have changed the product background image, etc. And you can edit the images here also. You can add the product category, just changing the background image, selecting a background image, and you can edit the captions on that image here. You can remove all the demo contents or all the demo links, etc. Once you finish that, click on update, and now we can view the page. Okay, now we can edit the static blocks. Static blocks means some of this website we are used to static blocks. As you can see, this is the static block section we used for the menus and all other things. Before editing, just go to the Elementor, click on settings and select the static block option here. Just mark that option and save the settings. Now again go to the static blocks and you can edit that with Elementor. These static blocks we are used on the show page main banner. This one you can edit from here. You can add the textures or the captions here. You can change the images. And the single product banner. On this static blocks is used on the single product banner section. You can change the image from the here. You can add a product image. These things are very easily, and you can see this banner when a single product page is opened. You can see that banner and all the details here. You can edit from here. You can choose the image. Once you finish that, click on update and just closing that. See, this is the shop page you are seeing, and this is the static block like this. Here also some static blocks are used on the front page. You can see the content type static block, and the static block's name is selected here, electronic tab niche market. So you can edit that also. On the single product side, you can see like this a static block which we edited just now. So you can see the static box here on the product page. Now we can change add to cart text. This is the basic add to basket text on the add to cart section. We can change this into add to package, as our website is a service finder website. To get this, go to wphacksforyou.com and copy this code. Just copy this code and paste on your theme function.php. Go to appearance, click on theme editor and select the theme functions and just paste that code here. And you can change this by now to whatever you need. Add to package or whatever you need you can add there. This is instead of add to cart. Just copying and pasting that. Once you finish that, click on update file. Now just refresh it. Yes, you can see this add package. Now we can set up delivery date and time for the website. This is a free plugin. Go to the plugin sections and install this delivery and pickup date time for Woocommerce. Install that plugin and just activate that plugin. And now go to the plugin settings. Here you can adjust the settings. All these settings are depend upon you. You can change according to your choice. Click on save changes, order settings. You can choose the option from delivery or pickup, order type, field label, shipping method, delivery date you can choose, and you can add the delivery dates. You can add a delivery date field when you would like to service. Select that they start from. You can customize all these things according to your choice. Click on updating and click on save changes. You can add a pickup date, delivery time. You can enable the delivery time. Just enable the delivery time as you are seeing the video. You can add the delivery time like this. You can add a time slot from this. So if there is a bulk order conjunction, you can enable these things also. You can add the minute time slot end. So after this time the users cannot order on our website because they cannot select the delivery time. So make sure your time slots are correct. Each time slot duration. Then you can set up maximum order per time slot. I'm just setting up it into 3. Maximum order per time slot. You can increase or decrease that and select the delivery time format, and if you want you can disable the current time slot, and you can select auto select first available time and click on save changes. Now you can set up the pickup time and the localization option. Here you can change the texts according to your language or whatever you need. You can change that. Now you can select the position of the virtual and delivery field. You can set up that. Click on save changes, and if you need you can buy the pro version of this plugin. It also have more features. If you want you can choose that also. Now we can set up service staff management option on the multi-vendor plugin. In order to do this, just go to the plugin settings and click on add new. Here you have to upload a premium plugin which is WCFM add-on. Just select WCM front-end delivery plugin. Just install that plugin and activate the plugin. Once you activate that, go to the plugin settings and install the Loco Translate plugin. This is a free plugin. You can just install and activate that plugin too. Once you finish that, go to the marketplace and we can see here the delivery persons. Here you can see that option. Now we can change this text as delivery persons or delivery boys into service staffs. To change this we have to add a translation. Already I created a translation. I will give the link in the description box. You can freely download it from there. Just a translation file. Just go to the plugin section on the Loco Translate and select the W3 front end manager delivery. Select that. Now upload the translation file. Click on the upload PO and you can just upload the file by selecting a location. Select the system and choose the file. The file link I will give in the description box. You can download it freely. Just upload that. Okay, once we are uploaded, just refresh the window. Now you can see the service persons. Everything works fine. If you want edit manually, you can go to the plugin settings and you can change the template easily. I will show you that also. Just go to the dashboard and select a string you want to change. Just change the string you want to change, and this delivered into serviced like this. You can add and you can save that. That's all. You can manually change all the string like this of any plugins. It's very easy. Okay, now we can edit our menu. To edit the menu, just go to the appearance and go to the menu section, and here you can create a new menu. Just click on the create a new menu, and you can add the pages for the menu. Just create a new menu, just give the name for the menu, and here you can add the pages for the menu. Just adding the menu, and you can add the wish list page also. Just click on add to menu. Now you can change the textures or navigation label here like this, and you can change this vendor registration or something else. You can change it. Change to partner with us, and click on save menu. Now go to the header builder, and you can align that menu on the main menu section of the header. Now just click on this shift plus click to edit, and just click on that, and you can see the main menu option here. Currently the main menu is the ID. Now we have to set the menu we have created. Now just click on that and click on publish. Okay, now our menu has been published, and we have to edit the mobile footer. Just click on the customize option on the WordPress, and you can see a mobile panel option is available on the customize button. Just click on the mobile panel. Here you can edit the mobile footer here. Just shift click to edit this element. Just click on that, and if you want to remove a menu from the bottom, just delete this as you are seeing the video, and just click on the add new item to add a new item. Just select the element. If you need a custom element, choose the custom element, and you can add the custom text. Just type a custom text, and you can also add the images or icon for that text. Okay, once you finish that, click on publish. Okay, now the changes has been saved successfully. Now we can test our website. To test our website, first we have to check all these things are works fine. Just check everything is working fine. We have changed the layout, the banner images, and the tags, and everything we have changed, and everything works fine. Now we click on the partner with us option. Here the vendor can register with their username, email, address, and all other details. They can choose their state, and password, and agree the terms and conditions and click on register, and the registration successfully completed, and they will get a welcome screen like this, and here they can set up the store, and they can select a logo image, and they have to choose a banner. If they have to use the banner, they can add the banner. Just choose the banner, and they can add the shop name. I am typing the John TV repair. They can add the store phone number, and they can choose their location on their map. They can drag and drop the map to any place they need, and they can add a shop description and click on continue. Here they can set up the payment setup, click on continue. Here they can set up the policy setups, click on continue. Phone setup, all these settings customer or vendor can do, click on continue, and they can go to the dashboard. Once the service provider enter into the dashboard, it will look like this, and they can add a product or service. We can change all this menu into the according to our language, which means this product we can change to service with this logo translate plugin. I already told that. You can check that section and you can change all these things. Actually this is a demo site, that's why I cannot explain a lot of things here. You can add the TV service title on the service section, add a description. Okay, add a description, and you can choose the tags, categories, etc., and go to the attribute section. Our service have some variations for different prices for the different problems, so we have to type a name for the attribute, type the issues or problems, whatever you need. Just type the value, display problem, and slash and sound problem slash whatever problems you can add that also here. After sound problems, just add the power issue, and just save that. Okay, now we have saved our attributes. Now go to the variations and choose the variation options, and now we can edit each variations. This any issues variation we have to just, we don't need it, just close that. And you can edit all other variation options here. You can add price, regular price for all the services, power issue, sound issue. You can add all the prices here, and click on save. Okay, once we added all the details, you can also add a product image for the service. You can also add the service image. Just select that, Okay, once you finished everything, you can check the product or service. You can select. Now you can see all our variations are added. From here the customer can choose their exact problem and they can add to package and they can check out. They can choose the service date, service time, etc. Here they can choose a service time. They can choose the service location. Once they finished all the details, they can check out with the payment, available payment options they can check out. Now they can come to our dashboard, vendor dashboard, and we can add a new service staff for our store. Just add a service staff. Just add their name, email address, and other details. Their password should be gone to their email address, registered email address. They will get the password. We cannot see the password. Okay, once added the service staff, just go to the order section and we can assign that order to our service staff. Assign service staff, click on that and you can add the service staff from there. Now we are selecting the service staff and click on submit. Okay, once you finish that, now staff will get an email notification also about their service and they can log in with their email and password, and once they complete their service they can mark the service completed option here, and they can also see the balance. If there is a cash on delivery, they can see the balance here, so they can collect from the customer that balance also. Okay, once we completed the service, just refresh that and you can see this service menu. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask the comments on our Facebook page. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.